Hey, Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum with a really sharp looking car I'm going to show you today. It is for sale, as well as a few hundred other collector cars. Go to volocars.com, get all the pricing, the specs. We'll have pictures of this car front to back, and our salesman would be more than happy to walk you through the whole process. We have shipping, financing. We'll send you more pictures of the car, whatever you need. Sales at volocars.com. So let's take this one for a spin. I bought it down in Kentucky, and the reason I bought it, it's just good looking. The blue with a white and blue interior. Just a sharp looking convertible. All new white upholstery, door panels, and it's got the blue carpet with the blue seat belts, blue dash. I think that's sharp. A two-tone interior like that is really cool. So again, I'll say it again, the colors are awesome, and that's why I bought it. This rear bumper looks new, the emblem's shiny, the emblems here look new. We do have a new convertible white boot that snaps over the top there. There's a new trunk mat in here. It's got the shaker cans. It is a real solid car. There is one patch on that floor being a convertible. It must have been leaking, because the car is solid. The bottom of the quarters are solid, bottom of the doors are really clean and crisp. It's got a 350 in it, but not a Pontiac 350. They put a Chevy 350 motor in here, so it's easier to work on. You know, it's going to run strong and be reliable. And it's got some upgrades, aluminum intake, headers, HEI ignition. I'll start it up in a minute for you. But it's a good running car. Turbo 400 automatic trans. Has a 373 12-volt posi in it. White convertible top shows real nice. Got a couple little pinches from being folded down. And it's got a two-piece glass window instead of the plastic. Let's start it up. The interior lights look like they're working. The metal inside the car is all painted. The dash, it's all painted to match the outside. Even the light in the console's working. Look how nice the jambs are. New rubber, new sill plates. Got the Rally 2 wheels. It is a power top. That is cold. I haven't started this car since yesterday, so tell it runs nice even when it's cold. Windshield looks nice. The window seals and the rubber around the vent window looks like it's replaced. It's got glass pack mufflers on there. That's a preference. Some people love that. If you wanted it quieter, it's just a matter of changing the mufflers. But good looking convertible. Go to volocars.com, get all the specs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be stepping up the videos more and more, and we're putting on a couple a day. So make sure you subscribe to YouTube and go to volocars.com to see a whole bunch of cars.